In this fifth video clip of the series, The Causes of the Change of the Planet, we will discuss the decrease in brightness of the star Betelgeuse in 2019. In December 2019, the star Betelgeuse began to lose a noticeable amount of brightness. This led everyone to believe that it would explode as a supernova, an exceptional and extremely rare spectacle. The star would become as bright as the full moon, an event that had never happened in the past millennia. The star, however, did not explode. As you can see from the graph below, it began to regain its normal brightness. There have been several theories to find the cause. In order to explain what really happened, we need to understand how supernovae are created in the galaxy. When the supernova explodes, it emits, as we saw in the first video clip, many cosmic rays. These travel through interstellar space until they encounter other stars. When they cross a giant star, very weak, and that has consumed all its hydrogen, these rays act directly on the core of the dying star. The sudden change in the star's electric field blocks all nuclear reactions in its center. The star begins to collapse, losing brightness quickly. This is what happened to Betelgeuse in 2019. Let's see which star caused all this. The supernova SN 1572 exploded more than 450 years ago. If we calculate the path of the rays of the supernova, with trigonometric calculations, we discover that at a distance of 8,900 light-years, with Betelgeuse at a distance of 481.5 light-years, the impact of the light photons occurred in 1992. While the impact of cosmic rays, with a speed of 99.6936% of the speed of light, arrived in December 2019. You will find more details on the site. To understand if Betelgeuse will explode, has been analyzed all the volcanoes that exploded from 1572 to 1600, when the cosmic rays of SN 1572 hit the Earth. Based on the comparisons of the tables and graphs, the drop in brightness of Betelgeuse in 2019 corresponds to the cosmic rays that hit the Earth that made the Huayna volcano explode, in March 1600. After that impact there were no others as powerful. So the star won't explode. Based on the distance from the Earth and the time elapsed, the average speed of the cosmic rays that hit the volcano was calculated. In the case of Betelgeuse, the rays of SN 1572 were not powerful enough to make it explode. Other crossings in the galaxy have been calculated. For example, SN 1604 was crossed by the radiation of SN 393 in the year 1604. On Earth we saw the consequences. Moreover, this supernova together with SN 1572 caused the Mater minimum with tens of years of cold on Earth. Probably, these radiation crossings between supernovae cause that the lifespan of civilizations in the galaxy is limited. Depending on the stellar density, the time within which a civilization must achieve superior knowledge is about 6,000 to 30,000 years. Wisdom will allow people to save themselves. The sudden change in brightness of the star Betelgeuse in 2019 taught us how supernovae activate each other in the galaxy. We also have confirmation that it will not become a supernova, and that all the civilizations in the galaxy have a limited time. The entire series of videos, The Evidence, has a very specific final purpose. To fully understand the latest clips, it is necessary to listen to the previous ones. In practice, it is a path that will lead the visitor to take note of future events and take the appropriate steps. So we invite you to follow clip number 6 of the series The Evidence, entitled, The Star Antares.